Hi, today I'm going to make this really pretty Singhasan for Ladoo Gopal on Janmasthami. Materials required are glitter foam sheets in different colors like turquoise, green, blue, red, golden. This is a cardboard sheet, some thermocol. These are assorted rhinestones in different colors and white, and some mirrors. And this is a string, stone, sort of pearl string in golden in color. I've cut these stencils in white paper, so take any size you want accordingly, and I've cut the foam sheets in the same pattern like this. So now I'm just going to stick these. So take the largest and apply glue in the second one. And stick this very close to the edge. To this point. Then the next one. Like so. And this will come in the center. Then I've got this red stud, so this I'll stick on the yellow towards the lower side. So this is how they look, and I've made similar ones like so. Now I've got these teardrop shape stones. So these I'm going to stick on top. So just apply glue. So at 5 points. And just stick these. So I made 7 of these feathers like this. So after finishing all of them, take the yellow glitter foam sheet. Now I'm going to stick these on this. So first I'll just arrange it just to see. I'll leave a little on one side, about 1 centimeter area. Now I'm taking this red colored stone, keep that in the center. So I'm going to stick them like this. After this is dried a bit, now I'm just going to cut it. So first just take the thermocol sheet that you have and measure its width. So this is coming out to be 1.75 to 1.5 types. So I'll just take about 2 centimeters from here. So that comes to, next to the last drop, white drop. And similarly on this side. So what you do is just cut an extra bit. Come to this. I'm leaving about half a centimeter. Just, cut according to the outline of these. Like this. So it will have an outline of yellow. So I'll just complete the other thing, and I'll leave this kind of a patch on this side also. After finishing this, I've cut a piece from the thermocol. So this is, just measuring about the size of the peacock wing, the same size, like this. So now I'll just put it on the red glitter sheet. And trace it out. And I'll just cut this out. So you got a piece like this. Now I'm just going to stick this on top of this, like so. So after sticking this, I've cut out a strip which is the same length as this, which I'll stick in front, like so. So just apply glue. And stick this. Like this. Now I've cut out these squares, these rectangles, sorry, and they are the same length as this. So this I'm going to stick a little, in the middle of these. So they'll come like this. I'll just apply some glue. And just stick it about 1 centimeter down. Before sticking it firmly, just measure that it's the same. And just press it down like this. And I'll stick this piece also on this side. So this is how it will look. And I've stuck an extra piece of thermocol at the back. And if you're wondering about these holes, actually the glue just melted through. Anyway, so just let it stick for a while. And I have cut out the strip. So this will come here on the inside and outside like this. And similarly I'll do for this. So this is how this will look. Now I'm going to decorate this using these mirrors, these studs and all. And I even have this golden lace, so which I can put like this. So I'll just decorate it with all this. So just apply glue. Like so. And similarly, like for instance, I have these. So these I can stick like this, and so on. So I'll use these mirrors also. So this is how it's going to look after I've finished. I've put mirrors and these stones and decorated like this. Now I'm going to stick this, and this is a backdrop I've cut from the cardboard. So this is the same size, slightly smaller size than this, and it'll come on the lower side. It'll come like this on the seat. So first I'll stick the seat. I'll just apply some glue. So you need some strong glue for this. I'm going to stick it like this. So you just have to see that it comes in the center. Let it dry for a little while, and then I'll stick the cardboard. And this is how it will look after it's finished.